Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or should I say aloha, because we're going on vacation. It is my first real vacation in years, like 4 years, and my first vacation with a toddler. So I need to be so organized and so on it to make this a success. I asked you guys for traveling tips over on Instagram, and someone wrote to me and they were like, best advice for traveling with a toddler, don't. Yeah, so wish me luck. I found some of the coolest, most genius organizing products for packing and travel that I am just so excited by, probably too excited. All of the products I am sharing will be linked down in the description box, and really exciting announcement, Amazon has actually given me my own storefront. So what I've done is I've gone back for my past 3 years of videos and I've linked everything in categories. So if you're organizing a certain room in your house, let's say your kitchen or your closet, you can go and there's gonna be a list of all of the products I recommend. I have my favorite Amazon clothing items, toddler essentials, newborn essentials. It's all there. And my favorite feature of this is that if you hover over the picture, there'll be a little description from me as to why I love that product or how I use it. We're gonna start off with a product that I think is one of the coolest, most clever organization products I have ever seen. It is so cool. So this is a suitcase organizer, and when you get it, it is fully collapsed. It looks very unassuming. So what you do is you pull it up and you attach it on to your closet rod. So then you fold up your clothes, put them on their respective shelves, then you take it off the closet rod and it collapses down. You put this entire thing in your suitcase. Then when you arrive at your destination, all you have to do is just pull it up, attach it onto the closet rod in your hotel room, and you're unpacked. So this is one option. Another option I wanted to share with you guys are packing cubes, which by now they've gotten very popular. I'm sure you've heard of them before. But I found this set of packing cubes that are so much cuter. They have these little llamas on them, and they all come stored in their own little storage container, and they fold up really small. So when you're not using them, you can store them away and they're not gonna take up a lot of space. So they have the various size packing cubes with the clear top so you can see what's inside. They also have a laundry bag, and this is so key when you're traveling. You want to be able to separate your dirty clothes from the clean clothes. So the idea with the packing cubes is that you could subdivide the different categories of items you're bringing into their own respective cubes. So you could put all of your dresses in one cube, all of your tops in another, all of your pants in another, and so on. So this is an option I like to go with if it is a longer trip. I did see they do also sell shoe bags, but a little trick that I like to use is I just use shower caps. I put those around the bottom of my shoes just because the bottom of your shoes are pretty dirty and I don't like that to be touching the other clean things in my luggage. So that's a little hack that will save you money from having to buy shoe bags. Up next, I want to show you guys that I did go ahead and buy a new set of luggage, because the set that I've had for over 10 years. It literally has holes in it. I found this on Amazon. It had amazing reviews. It has everything I'm looking for in a luggage set. I like that it's a color, but a darker color, so it's not going to show as many scuffs, and it will stand out when it's on the baggage claim runway. I don't particularly like hard case luggage because they're too heavy on their own, and so I'm not able to pack as much stuff inside and still meet the weight limit. Next up, for makeup organization and storage while traveling, I first picked up this case, which I really like the pattern on it. It's good quality, but I have to admit it was a lot smaller than what I thought it was gonna be based on the photos. So I'm still gonna use this for something else, but it wasn't gonna cut it for my makeup. So instead I found this makeup organizer, and you guys, this thing is so awesome. So you unzip it and the first compartment has storage for your makeup brushes. This is so convenient. I always struggle with what to do with my makeup brushes. And then if you flip it over, you have your storage for your makeup products. And what I really like about this is it has sub compartments. So all of your makeup isn't just flying around in here. You can actually subgroup it and organize it. This comes in 3 different sizes, just depending on the amount of makeup that you're going to bring on your trip. I went for the medium size, but if you're someone like my mom, who's a makeup hoarder, she would definitely go for the large. Up next is storage for electronics, cords, cables, all of the things that just are such a headache to pack. So first thing are these gear ties. So if you have your charging cables, your headphones, you can nicely tie them up so they're not just everywhere, all tangled. So that's step one. Then is this electronics organizing case. This thing is so genius. I love it. So you open it and it has dozens of compartments to put all of your electronics, cords. For me, I'm bringing my camera, so my camera battery, my external hard drive, my SD cards. Next up, for packing all of your various toiletries and other accessories, clear pouches. Clear pouches are your best friend while traveling, just in general. Clear is always so convenient because you can see exactly what's inside. You don't have to go digging through things. So the first thing is this set of 5 clear pouches. And how I'm gonna organize these is one bag for each space. So one bag is going to have my nightstand essentials. So my earplugs, my melatonin spray, one pouch for all of my skincare products, one pouch for all of my oral hygiene products, one pouch for my hair care and shower products, and then the last pouch is for my miscellaneous accessories. And I'm just gonna tell you one thing that I recommend everybody brings with them on a trip. You can thank me later. Poopery. So you spray this in the toilet before you go to the bathroom. It prevents any bad smells. When you are traveling and you're all confined to a small space, this is just essential. So bring this with you. Then I also got this set of 12 clear pouches that I'm going to bring in my carry-on bag because, like I mentioned, I'm traveling on a plane with a toddler. So what my plan here is to have different activities for every hour of the flight. But in general, you can use these in your suitcase, in your carry-on. They are so handy. Another option for organizing your carry-on bag is a purse organizer. They make these in all different sizes and colors. This is the medium size. This is more for my everyday bag, but it just helps sub-compartmentalize your purse. Now for jewelry organization while traveling, I don't tend to travel with a ton of jewelry, so I found this little case that I think is so cute and so smartly designed. So you open it up, and the top here has little slits for your necklaces. This is for bracelets. And then you have rings, stud earrings, and then I'll put my dangling earrings down here. For me, this is more than enough space because I don't bring a ton with me, but they also make these in a larger size. Another huge packing tip that I like to do is I pre-plan my outfit. So I will get ready, put my whole outfit on with shoes and accessories, then I'll take a picture of myself in the mirror and I'll save all of those pictures into a folder on my phone. Then any given day where I want to pick out my outfit, I can just scroll through the photos, pick my outfit, and know exactly what I'm looking for. It just prevents you from having to go through and dig apart all of your luggage to find an outfit to put together. All right, so those are my ideas today. If you want to see our trip, where we're going, what I'm wearing, all of that, go follow me on Instagram so you can look there for all of the cute new clothes that I got, and all of it is really affordable too. Also, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite place in the world to travel to? I would love to hear. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye. You're walking on your knees? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Carter, where are we going to travel to?
To Hawaii.
Are you excited? Are you gonna be a good boy in the airplane?
Yeah, but I fall out.
No, you won't fall out. Daddy's gonna hold you tight. Carter.
Mom, I'm a big boy. Yeah, I'm taking the luggage.
Oh, cool. Look at you. For Hawaii. Are you packing for Hawaii?
Dad, move out the way.
Oh
Dad, I'm pulling it.
I see you pulling
Dad,
it.
I'm pulling